a number of you will probably need to submit your assignments late. This happens every quarter, and I understand it. Um, I just want to explain what the consequences are for a late assignment. Now, first, if you have a good reason and there's extenuating circumstances, I'm going to do everything within my power to say, okay, no problem, that's fine. But here is what you will forfeit if you turn in an assignment late. That is, you'll forfeit extensive feedback. One of the best and most important things that I provide for you is I give you very detailed, extensive, coherent feedback on your assignments, your written assignments. So this is primarily for your TTA and the rough draft when you turn them in. What I do is I give comments. So in the sidebar, you'll see, because I convert everything to Word format, and I use the commenting function to kind of give you a sense of where I'm at throughout the paper. I give you feedback on style, I give you feedback on formatting, I give you feedback on your argumentation and where you're going. I really do my best to give you a really strong sense of what I'm thinking, and so that when you get a grade at the end of it, you understand exactly why you're getting the grade that you're getting. You can look at the end of the syllabus, the rubric for the final essay. It's really the rubric for any writing assignment. It kind of hits those main things that are so important when doing critical graduate level research. And so if you turn in your essay by 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Sunday evening, you're guaranteed to get that feedback, usually within 24 hours, always within 48 hours. That means that within 2 days, and usually within 1 day, you will get everything you need to know about what you are producing. That's especially important at this level, at this point in the quarter, because your rough draft is right around the corner, just a couple weeks away. And you're going to want to know what it is that you need to improve, and you're going to want to have the opportunity to ask me and question things and find out things, get some more direction. I understand all that. The best way to know how to do that is to get great feedback on your first written assignment. If you do not turn in the assignment on time, I will do my best to try to provide that, but I'm busy. I have a lot of commitments, and that's why I really set aside Mondays as a day for me to just spend working on giving you feedback. So similarly to how I give feedback in the forums by reading the things that you produce, occasionally writing, but usually bring it all together into a video and then making a video response. I do something very similar but very individualized for your written assignments. And it's a huge benefit to students. It gives you a real sense of what you need to do and where you need to go to achieve the kind of skills that you want to have when you graduate from Fuller. So you're giving that up. Now, if you're late and it's just there's not really an important, or really I guess important's not the right word, not really a legitimate reason, you're also subject to losing about a half grade. I think it's about a half grade per day of lateness. So if you would have received an A, but you're a day late, that drops down to an A minus, and then on the second day a B plus, and then a B. And this can really damage grades over time. I do offer a chance to resubmit. So assignments that are just not there, you can improve them. However, I do not offer a resubmit that will address grade. If your grade dropped because of lateness, you won't get that grade back. So if you submitted something and it would have been a B, but you were 2 days late, and so it's a C plus, you can resubmit, and so that to make it so it was a B, it would have been an A, but you're still only going to get a B plus for the assignment, because I don't give back points that are lost due to lateness. So as you can see, I really do discourage late assignments. I really encourage students to get things in on time. It's only honestly because my schedule is such that I can't set aside the time to. I set aside a time, very specific times, in order to give you everything that I can to make sure that you get the best value added at your experience here at Fuller. And in order to honor that, I just need assignments turned in on time. So if you have major extenuating circumstances, death in the family, that sort of thing, please let me know, and I'll do my best to avoid knocking off grade points for late assignments, but you'll still, depending on what my schedule looks like, you very well may not get the extensive, detailed feedback that really provides a lot of value for students.